food, weight and more. I'm Nidar Fakir. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make easy snack, which is chicken crackers. It's a very simple recipe and a very quick recipe. You can have it as a snack or a brunch or even before dinner. So let's get started. So we are going to make today chicken crackers. You may call them chicken tenders or chicken crispy, whatever you want, but I call them chicken crackers because they are very crispy from outside and very juicy in the inside. For that you need some chicken which is cut lengthwise and washed thoroughly and squeezed off so that the extra water is taken out. Now I have cut them lengthwise, not very thin, because then the outside layer is so crispy and so thick that you won't feel the chicken inside. So keep the chicken little thick, the strips of the chicken little thick. And I also have done the chicken breast into two pieces like that. Okay, so I have cut from the center and flattened it up little bit, and I'll show you how to marinate and make sandwich or burger from the same marination. So first we are going to just marinate basic with salt, little black pepper, and chopped garlic. That's it. This is the basic marination. Marinate it and keep for 30 minutes in the fridge. Okay, you'll also need all-purpose flour, and this is 2 tablespoons of maize flour, or you can also add cornstarch if you want. And I have added chili powder to it just for the better color. Now what I'm going to do is I mix this both. Nicely. Add a little salt to it so that the upper layer is not very bland. Also some black pepper. And some chili flakes. You may use these spices according to your taste, how spicy you want, how tangy you want. Mix this nicely. This will be our first coat on the chicken. Here I have some panko breadcrumbs. If you do not have panko, you may use the normal breadcrumbs, or you may also use the cornflakes crushed. I'm using here panko. There is also a method to make the panko. If you have a stale bread slices in the house, just grind them in the mixer and make a fine powder to it. Not very fine, but coarse powder. Then roast it on the pan till it becomes crispy and little golden brown, and that's your panko. I also have taken 3 eggs. I'll beat the eggs with little salt in it, very little salt. Keep these things ready. Now my chicken has been marinated for 30 minutes. I'm going to start the process now. You can keep this in the freezer for 4 weeks or more once you marinate and coat it with the panko breadcrumbs, and use it whenever you want without even thawing it. Like, you may directly take it out of the freezer and fry it. So let's start. Chicken, I'll dip it into the dry flour first, then dip it into the egg, again into the dry flour, and coat it with the breadcrumbs nicely. This is how it should look. Keep it in the tray or an airtight container, or if you want to fry at the same time, you may fry at the same time. So first coat of the dry ingredients, second coat of the egg, third again the dry ingredients, and next the breadcrumbs. So I have marinated all this and coated it with the breadcrumbs. I'll keep this into the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes so that the layers are coated nicely on the chicken and it's easier to fry. So I'll keep this into the freezer for 15 minutes. So after some time freezing it, it's nice. I'm going to fry it now in the hot oil and I'll show you how it gets. So the oil is hot now. I'll start frying the chicken. Don't fry the chicken on very slow flame. Keep it on medium high. I'll flip the chicken now. Do not turn it too many times. So it's nice and crispy from the side which is done now. I'll fry it another 4 minutes from the other side. Keep the flame on medium high. Not very slow, not very high. So it's almost done now. Remove it on the tissue paper so that the oil is absorbed. The good thing about this chicken is it doesn't get soft. It's crispy for 2-3 hours at least. So you can always make it in advance if you have some party or something. The color depends on you, how brown you want. I like it golden, so I'll stop here. I'm going to remove it now. It's nice and golden and also very crispy. This is the easiest recipe for a quick snack, which is rich but very simple and quick. I'll put one more batch now. Okay, so they are done now. The good thing about the using panko breadcrumbs is it doesn't soak much oil and they are very dry. If you are a health conscious person, then you may bake them as well. they taste equally nice and amazing on baking. So here they are. I'll plate it up. So here they are ready, and I'm going to serve them with little French fries. I have here garlic sauce. You may also take mayonnaise, and this is sweet red chili sauce I have got. With this they taste really delicious. Have them hot. You can use burger bread also to have with it, or any kind of a bread, but we like to have them just like that as a snack. So enjoy. Look at them, how tender they are and very crispy. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share, and leave the comments or suggestions if you have. I am ready for the suggestions. Thank you so much.